The best way to make your voice heard in the United States is by going to the ballot box and casting your vote every election. Hi, my name is Patrick. I work for the Butler County Democratic Party, and I am running for delegate in Ohio's 8th Congressional District. The purpose of this video is to convince you to check your voter registration status so you can be ready for the March primary. In order to do so, I will discuss disenfranchisement efforts in Ohio, and I will share how you can affect your community with your vote. To begin, Ohio doesn't want you to vote. Backwards politicians in Columbus win when students and young people do not go out to vote. They place hurdles in front of us every step of the way. Mark Walsh published a report in 2018 where he calls out an Ohio law which allows the Secretary of State to remove a voter if they don't vote for 2 elections in a row. If you register to vote and make the political decision not to vote, they will punish you for that. Because of these attacks, it is important to check your registration every cycle. Further, your vote can affect your community substantially. According to data from the Butler County Board of Elections, one of our professors here at Miami lost an election for school board this November, and only lost by a few dozen votes. School board is one of the most important positions you can vote for, as they are directly responsible for the quality of education for our community's children. If young voters and Miami students went to the polls this November, we may have helped her across that finish line. In conclusion, I encourage you to check your registration status by scanning the QR code or going to the website in the description. To recap, the political establishment are trying to disenfranchise you as a young voter. Your voice matters. You have the power to make change in society. So go check your registration so you can do so.